Tell me.
What made you choose a PSU government job in the first place?
Because yeah, I like that job, and that was my professors, and I thought it will be a good opportunity for me as well as a career, and as well as I can give back to our nation.
Yes. Do you remember how you felt on your first day of government work?
Yeah, I remember. Even I remember when I came to know I was selected for that job. That time was 7:50, and when I came in my first day of office, and everybody was very polite, and they introduced themselves to me, and I also kept. And it was memorable day. You know, the first day and last day is the memorable for anything, for job, for anything.
Yeah.
Where you know he will serve there for a long period, and you can't forget that day.
Yes, true. What's something about PSU jobs people often misunderstand?
Actually, there is not too much awareness about PSUs. But PSU is good, because like DRDO, ISRO, all are PSUs. So people are running towards commercial, and our government should give more priority, to PSU, because nowadays also you will say कि SBI State Bank of India, that is government PSU, and people are watching towards more security as compared to other banks. Because then someone just to think, they think, well, okay, they should to open your account in SBI, they may feel more secure as compared to HDFC or Axis Bank or any other bank, because they don't know when they can fall. But if they invest their money in SBI, they think, okay, their money is in safe hand. If in some will be enough,
Yes.
offer नीचे हो गया, but it might be good for them, no issue.
Yeah.
So that is because all the government, all the nations are standing behind PSUs.
Okay.
Yes.
What part of your job gives you the most satisfaction?
Okay. When my juniors feel comfortable while working with me, that time I feel more comfortable. And sometimes what happens, being a senior officer or of that section, sometimes I have to scold that people. Because whatever you want to achieve, you can't be soft in your office. Sometimes you have to take care somehow to use RS words. So that time, and when going back our home, that time I go to that person, I personally say sorry. Sorry, that is the part of our job. Please do not take it personal. Because I do not want that thing by whatever I told him, whatever I scolded him, he might be can scold his wife or children.
Yeah.
I try to confirm that, I try to कि वो normal बंदा कम जाए जैसे वो आया था, not to take so much baggage. Last 10 to 15 minutes, I do not do any work. We gossip with each other, so that's I can bring their mind in the right shape, so that they can leave that burden of work in office. Yeah, I feel. Yeah.
What's challenge you deal with that outsider might not expect?
Actually, sometimes what happens, we have too much pressure from our upper side, our senior officers, and there are some targets. And when we are not going to meet that requirement, that times I feel little bit bad. And I also understand that there are so many reasons, because in government sector there are no proper employees, lack of training, and sometimes बच्चा जाना कहीं चाहता था, but as उसकी job की requirement, and sometimes the peer pressure of parents, society, people in that department, but उसका मन नहीं है. But मन से काम नहीं चलता ना, government salary तो ही तो दे last पे है.
Yeah.
अपने को तो काम चाहिए. It doesn't matter आपका मन है ना मानो. And but उसका मन किसी और में था. But as the peer pressure of the parents, family, society, he got that job. Okay, there are so many reasons.
What's the most interesting project you have worked on so far?
So actually, every day is when we start a new project, and I thought in which project I don't know anything about, and I am zero. So I take opportunity that thing. I learn something new. But I have seen in my office, few people are taking that project so where they are more comfortable, so that they can produce more productivity. because everyone want to do, sir, I did this, sir, I achieved this one. But sir, I know which, if I'll take any project, which one I have nothing knowledge. Definitely it will take much time, or productivity will be low in that project. But I think that's good. Yeah. Okay, bro. Nice to talk to you.
Thank you.